YouTube. So in this video, let's talk about another cost-effective natural conditioner that is most likely in your kitchen cabinet and is super beneficial for the hair. So stay tuned. So in my last video, I talked about rice water and how amazing that is. So in this video, let's talk about oat milk, okay? Now, oat milk is a rinse for your hair. You can do it before or after your conditioner. Either way works. And basically, all you're doing is soaking dry oats, rolled oats, Quaker oats, and you're going to soak them overnight in water. The next day, you're going to drain off the oats and you're going to have a milky substance that looks like this. And it's actually thicker and more milkier than rice water. So why do you want to use it? First of all, it has beta-glucan in it. Now, beta-glucan is a polysaccharide, meaning it is a natural conditioner. So what's going to happen is when you use this rinse, it is going to create a thin moisture film around the hair. So it's going to draw moisture to your hair like a natural humectant, but it's also going to lock in that moisture. On top of that, it's going to soften the hair while it does that. Number two, it contains little teeny tiny amino acids that are going to penetrate into the hair and strengthen the hair. So if you're looking for like a super light protein treatment, something natural, nothing too heavy, this would be a great rinse to try. And last but not least, if you have like a dry, itchy, irritated scalp, if you have dandruff, you want something that's going to soothe the scalp, you know. And I don't know about you, but you know, when I was younger, I had chickenpox. So my mom made like the whole little oatmeal bath, and it was yucky and slimy, but when I got out, my skin felt a whole lot better. So it's the same thing with the oat milk, which is why I recommend getting a bottle, like a nozzle, and just pouring the oat milk inside here. Just take that nozzle and just go, you know, around your scalp, massage it in there. It's going to help to soothe your scalp so it won't be so itchy and irritated, okay? Now, when I use oat milk, this is what happens for my hair, okay? My hair was noticeably softer, my curls were super defined, my hair got super shiny, and all these are results of a good conditioner, and in this case, a pretty natural one at that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick video on oat milk rinsing. Any questions, let me know. Thank you guys to everyone who's been subscribing to my channel and also following me on Instagram. I see you guys watching my crazy Insta story, especially about my trip to Target yesterday. We're not going to talk about it. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I truly appreciate it. And thank you to everyone who's been signing up for my email website launch. It is coming out. Like my next video, the website is going to be live and launched. So I'm super excited about that. As you can see, okay? Anyway, I love you guys and I'll see you guys soon. All right? Bye.